All right, last one. Okay, graph. Ah! All right, first thing we want to do is factor the top and factor the bottom. X minus 3 on the top. I get an x plus 3 on the bottom and an x minus 3. So I know that x cannot equal a 3 value or a negative 3 value. So x, so my domain is going to be all real numbers except for x equal to 3 and negative 3. So I know my asymptotes right here. I know I'm going to have something with a 3, and I know I'm going to have something with a negative 3. So let's look at stuff. This x minus 3 will cancel out. So I know that x minus 3, which is x equal to 3, I should have a hole there, right? That's going to be my hole. And then x is equal to negative 3 should be my vertical asymptote. So I'm just going to write hole here, so I know that's a hole, and then I have a vertical asymptote. So let's go find my horizontal. Well, my horizontal, I have this situation right here. My top is smaller than my bottom. So if I have that thing and I think division, I can't even go into it once, so it goes into it 0 times. So my horizontal asymptote is going to be at a 0. Dot, 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 dot. So it's going to be all real numbers except that. So here we go. Then I have a negative 3. And at a negative 3, I have this. And then at a positive 3, I'm going to have a hole. So I'm just going to be like, hole. So I'm going to go to a graph, and I already have this pre-graph. So it comes in, it goes down, and then we go like this. All right. So on this side, I come in, I come down, I go like that. On this side, I'm going to come in, and at 3, I have a hole, so I want a big circle there, and then I come out. Right? Another way to write your domain and range is this. Negative infinity to negative 3. Union a negative 3 to 3. And then I go from 3 to that positive infinity. My range, right? Here, check it out. Negative infinity to a 0. Union a 0 to infinity. Okay? Going back to our other two ones. Just adding on to this. Here we go. Negative infinity to a 2. Union negative 2. to 2, union 2 to infinity, and my range would go from a negative infinity to a 2 value, union 2 to infinity.